Yeah.
just in case, like, they're not that hard to get out of ruts. Only down the hill, not just without...
Without an engine on?
Yeah.
That would be silly, wouldn't it? We're off. We'll see you again.
Have fun, guys.
Yeah, cheers, guys. And they've been looking around the whole area, and the directions they just give us were so detailed. Both Brian and I were following them on the map, and turn for turn they knew exactly where to go. All the local lanes, all the farmers' names. I think that rattling is Brian's chain. Every now and again I hear it.
I'll just ask you
Yeah?
down.
Is it?
Bath that way, Chelwood's that way. Do you not trust me?
No, I do trust you. This is that hill. The one I came off on? Yeah. We missed that one. Did you see that lay-by?
Yeah.
And then it looked like it went down into a farm, and I think it's after that.
This is Chewton.
Yeah, Chewton Keynsham, yeah. Yeah, yeah. You first. I've not got good history. Oh, this ride. Oh. Hey! It's bad, isn't it? Steady Brian is fucking... This hill is a nightmare for me. So this is the first time that I've come down with someone, and also with the engine running. So I wanted Brian to experience it. I didn't expect we'd do it today. Yeah, I came off there. Yeah, I've come off there. Woo! Almost there. Oh, almost again. Survived. I told you, didn't I?
Oh!
Mate, it's like you're all over the globe, aren't you? Well, when the first time I went up it, come off. Come down it, come off. I just almost come off then. There's a bigger hole than normal then. Love that little bit. I love it. Squirrel. Woo. Whew. Whoop-de-doo. Let's just respawn a minute. Oh, it wasn't even that difficult. Woo. I'm not going to splash you. Yeah, I went in a mischievous mood. Well, there's a rare sight, I just thought of that. There's a cyclist on a red light in Bristol. That is absolutely unheard of, mate.